Your T-Mobile 5G router, like the Arcadian KVD21 or Nokia FastMile, is your gateway to high-speed internet. Let's break down the key settings you need to know. The most important settings are SSID, your network name, password, the WPA3 Wi-Fi security key, UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, and DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Access these settings via the T-Mobile Internet app or your router's web interface at 192.168.12.1. Default logins can be found on the router itself, but you should change them immediately. Always reboot the router after making changes for them to take effect. If you ever lose connection, consult T-Mobile's support site or app for visual walkthroughs. Always change the default password to a strong, unique one, at least 12 characters with mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. Use WPA3 encryption for optimal security, selectable in your router settings. Hide your SSID for extra privacy, but remember to manually enter it on new devices. Be cautious with UPnP. While convenient for smart devices, it can create security risks. Disable it for devices that don't need it, or reserve static DHCP IPs for trusted devices. Regularly check for firmware updates to patch security vulnerabilities and improve performance. T-Mobile often pushes these automatically. Disable remote admin access to prevent external hacks. Regularly updating your password every 90 days is a good habit to counter brute force attacks.